Today unboxing is on the latest pair of Dream Tomica Fast and Furious release, and that's the pair of Toyota Supra driven by Paul Walker and Hans in the Fast and Furious movie. Both are very popular casting, highly anticipated by collectors and Fast and Furious fans alike. What's interesting, the 80 Supra has the number 148, while the 90 Supra do not have a number with a SP indication. That's an indication that the GR Supra may be a limited release. And now let's take a closer look at Paul Walker Toyota Supra in Takara top. Wow, this is fantastic! One of the best Dream Tomica casting I come across, and you can see with the plastic headlights, it sort of elevates the realism. Even the livery is very iconic, true to the Fast and Furious movie. Very happy that it comes with a Takara top with a painted interior. It's a very nice touch by Dream Tomica. I think it's every penny well spent. Even the paint job is awesome, very accurate. You can see it's not messy and definitely not casual. Comes with Tomica standard racing wheels. I know it may not happen, but if Tomica Premium is to release this Toyota Supra, I think it would be great with a realistic wheel set in plastic as well. Highlight for me is definitely the front. Lots of details with very nice mold. Paint job is flawless, in pearl finish in orange. Very nice, very loud and very striking. For the rear, not as impressive as the front. Painted rear lights, Toyota logo, and also the rear wing, which comes in plastic. Hope that the rear wing will be more refined, but for a Dream Tomica series, this is a very impressive casting, and definitely one of the better made casting by Tomica. Next, the Fast and Furious Hans 90 Supra. Box design is very impressive and dynamic. I think the movie is scheduled to be released next year in 2021. Very dynamic backdrop with the Fast and Furious logo in Japanese. Wow, really nice color. It's very cool. It's almost the same color scheme as the Paul Walker 80 Toyota Supra. Disappointed that the headlight is painted instead of plastic. The Toyota badge is very clear and legible with details on the grille. Not just the color, I also like the finishing, but the matte black and also the gloss orange. Comes with similar racing wheels, thankfully not in button. No opening parts for the GR Supra with standard factory suspension. I really like the curve of this GR Supra, just like the previous release. Painted rear lights with Toyota logo, Supra logo type, and the GR logo. Although not as detailed as Paul Walker Toyota Supra, the GR Supra has its own merit. It's the latest Toyota Supra model for Fast and Furious, and I'm looking very forward to see its action in the movie. So which is your favorite Toyota Supra? The one driven by Hans or the one driven by Paul Walker? And although they do not share the identical body color in different orange hue, and will definitely complement each other in diecast photography. More Dream Tomica unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!